Hello, hello. Humina ata yung boses ko. Humina no. Hello. Whew. Ano to? Batang liit natin. Bata ba tayo? Na may malalim na boses na ewan. Bata nga tayo oh. Kita nyo? Computers. Syempre. Shoutout kay Magnet man. Thank you. So, wala akong makita. Open mo muna yan. Wala akong makita. Tao po. Hello. Lang ano. Hello. Oh! Buisit ka. Okay. Hello. Anyone there? Shoutout kay Mary May. Thank you. Ang angas eh. Pusikat. What do you mean? Okay, bawal daw tayo punta dun. Laki naman ng bahay na to. Ay gagi, ayoko dyan, bahala ka. Ayoko dyan. Shoutout kay Emoji cat, thank you. Oh, lumiwanag. Okay. Ito yung gusto ko, lumiwanag. Ano, ayoko ng madilim eh, butya eh. Kita nyo yun? Laki ng pagbabago. Ayoko nito. Apo, may tao po ba dito? Oh, ba't ko tinurn off? Ah!
What was that?
Oh! No. Oh, wala ka dyan, tingin mo. No, bata lang po ako. Uy, what the fuck? Tsaka, may kumakatok. Shoutout kay Guevara. Close mo yan! Puki. Tago. Puta, ang gagawin ko. Puisit. Apo. Gotta get away from you. Oh! Objective! Back!
A diary. Now I remember the reason I came to my parents' house in the first place. The diary that I usually wrote everything in.
Diary daw, diary.
Put it.
Akit.
That's why I came here to search for it. I thought that maybe I could find it.
Okay, diary.
Answers. Then the accident.
Diary, where's the
occurred, and I
fucking,
lost my memory. I have to find that diary.
Search for the diary. Oh, I don't know where the fuck is that. Okay. Search for the diary daw eh. Shoutout kay Farmer, thank you, thank you. Where's the fucking diary? Shoutout, shoutout. Sino pa yung isa? You know name. Sige, sige. Yan ka masaya. Nakakatakot yan. Okay. Di ko alam kung nasan yung diary. Di ko alam kung nasan diary. Shoutout ulit kay Farmer. Huwag mo spam. Sarado yung pinto. Sarado men. Shoutout kay Editor Gojo. Basement key? Shoutout kay Manong. Basement key tayo. Okay. Close na natin to. Wala pa rin diary. Where is my diary? So, pupunta tayo sa ano? Basement. Attic yan. Di yan basement.
Why is the light still off?
No. Oh, ginang mo. Gumising ka. Oh, visit.
Sophie! Was that really you?
Pasok. Tago. Ginang mo. Pre, shoutout kay Nato to. Pucha. Shoutout kay Difference. Okay. Pucha ka. Whoa, what the heck? No, I'm not going there. Pare. Shoutout kay Dem tsaka kay Bay. Pre, habulan to, pre.
What is going on? Is this really happening or am I going crazy? This doesn't make any sense.
Oh, no! Yoko na! Diary lang hinahanap ko, buisit. Ang tangin ng basement to, ang laki. Pucha. Uy, diary lang gusto ko. Diary lang gusto ko, Vin. Okay. So, here's the thing. So, masyado akong ngayon kaya medyo mabilis ako mag-react. So, hyperactive ako ngayon. ADHD. Hyperactive ako. Stop with the flashing lights. Kanta yarn. Wala na akong makita. Okay, balik na tayo. Sarado mo! Buisit! Ba't sarado mo? Pucha na yan. Shoutout kay I Love MM. Oh! Pucha. Shoutout kay Michael Fry. Open the parents room. Ting yan. Shoutout kay Miela. No. Takbo! Shoutout kay Teya. Shoutout kay Sloan. Tsaka kay Unknown X.
My parents' room. I haven't been in this room since their death. I just can't accept the fact that they're really gone. It just doesn't feel real and right.
Pado
It
ka.
feels like they are still in this room
Shoutout
with
kay
me,
ano,
watching me.
kay Blacksy. Wow. Search. What the f... Whoa. Okay. Shoutout kay Sev. Okay, search every inch of the house. Oh no! No!
Damn! Ugh! My head!
No!
It hurts! Sophie, oh, my head! Are you in
God.
danger?
What? No. Fuck. No. Charot kay Clyde. Buta, tatakbo ko. No. Putang! Charot kay Bill. Fuck! Name game. The Curse. Search the room, search the room. What do you mean? Anong room? Mahirap ba to? Nakakatakot lang eh. Nasa yung flashlight ko na hawak ko kanina. Motherfuckers. Nawala bigla. Fudge. Ayun! It's a cassette tape! It's a cassette tape! Okay. Fuck. Syarat kay Ponyong. Fuck. Fuck talaga. Wala. Dito nga sa para may mga habol eh. Sige, ganyan kayo ah. Okay, lalawakan ko pa to.
Possession by a wicked entity is an unusual or an altered state of
That's my
consciousness
father's
associated
voice.
behaviors
What is
which are
going on?
purportedly caused by the control of a human body. The entity, though, hungers for more. In these cases, possession is the first step of a demon's plan. It is said that there are those who return to our world, seeking to
Possessed?
resolve unresolved matters from their previous lives. Things get much worse for the host. From the moment of a first contact with a
heck?
malicious entity, it's already too late.
Charot kay Kim.
When a demon attaches itself to a human being, it becomes a parasite of sort. If you want to break the link, I'm afraid this isn't a simple matter. The best way to do that is to obey and help the demon find what it seeks. In the first stages of possession, the demon manipulates its host with visual hallucinations and voices in the mind, destroying the sanity of the host. This is how demons fully exerts its insidious control.
No, this can't be true. I'm not
Charot
possessed.
po kay Shawnee.
I better go to sleep.
Ah. Matagal pa ba to?
No, please. Where am I? What is this place?
Sabi mo wala mga habol. Uy, tokte.
What was that thing?
Oh! Ulo dating. Shoutout kay Latina mo.
What is happening? Why is this happening to me?
Get the fuck up. Ginaya mo!
I'm back? At the basement? But it doesn't make any sense. I don't understand. What is happening? Are those police tapes? What happened here? Something's wrong. This radio wasn't here before.
Recently, there was a brutal family killing. The brutal killing took place while the family was gathered at home on a Saturday afternoon. The girl heard screams and immediately called the police, saying while she was upstairs, she heard stabs and everyone downstairs screaming. After a while, when the police arrived at the place, the parents of the girl were found already dead on the basement. Her dad was hanging from the ceiling and her mother was found dead on the floor with a lot of stabs, while she was found passed out in a bedroom with a stab in her stomach. While the other person's parents that were with them were nowhere to be found, the murderer seemed to got away. The girl's name was Sophie. The police are still investigating this crime.
What? A murderer?
Tas ako pala yung murderer, no? Puta, what a plot twist. Gago.
Sophie, is that you?
Uy, Sophie, ikaw ba yan?
Is that a dad? Oh my
Wow, patay na siya, pre. Patay na siya, pre. Roblox hands. Nababaliw na siya, oh. Gising.
What is happening? This can't be real. Was Sophie and my parents' death really?
What the fuck? Shoutout
I
kay
need to find out more.
piano guy, Filipino piano guy. Tsaka kay Tom. Sophie?
Sophie? Is that
Sophie,
you?
pre. Ingat kuya, mahirap yung mga habol dyan. Ano mga habol?
Wait, something is not right.
Anong mga habol?
It's Sophie. Her eyes were black. It's as if something was taking control of her. I must find her. Quickly. A gap. Maybe
Invisible? Charot kay Jang.
Instructions.
Place the bulbs on the ceiling lamps. When a bulb is placed on a lamp, the lever from that lamp can be pulled. Ano daw? Pull the lever when the demon is... Shit, ayoko ng puzzles. Place the bulbs on the ceiling lamps, alright? When a bulb is placed on a lamp, the lever from that lamp can be pulled. Pull the lever when the demon is in closing range. Kill the demon? Shoutout kay Peace at tsaka Teddy Bears. Nahanap ka bulb, tapos hanapin mo yung lever. Pag na siya, pull mo agad. Okay. Hanap tayo ng bulb. Saan? Bulb. Diretso ako dito. Shoutout kay No Name. No Name, shoutout sa'yo kay No Name. Diretso ako dito. Shit, ayoko namang may nangahabol. Shoutout kay Ed. Ed Ginive. Shit. Ayoko manghabol. It's Lee. Shoutout kay It's Lee. Invisible. Di pa siya nakikita. Okay. Tas jumpscare biglaan. Ganon, puta, ayoko. Sanya. Shoutout kay Sanya. Okay. Here we go. Puta.
I can't leave yet.
Taka. Shit! Simon, shoutout kay Simon. Shoutout din kay Lanis. Nasaan yung bulb? Nandito siya. Dead end. Yawa! Puta, nasa yung labors. Nasaan? Insert the bulb. Pull the levers. Shoutout kay 3. You only have one goal here, pare. And that's the fucking kill the monsters. Ba't ka nandito, ha? Buisit ka! Shoutout kay Moonblade. Puta ka. Lever, oh. Safe zone. Matagal ka matatapos. Okay, hintayin natin. Hintayin natin siya. Pull! Okay, gets. Ilan pa? Ilang beses? Isa na lang. Shoutout kay Justin. Dalawa po. Dalawa! Puta. Dito siya. Inabangan ako eh. Hencho! Shoutout kay Hencho. Pre, naabangan ako pre. Takbo! Di ko alam kung nasan yung isang bulb kung saan ko nilagay. So, if meron dito, banda dito, if fucking hell na, yung pero dapat may kasama ng isa para mahanap yung isa lever. So, meron na ako apat. Yung isa nakabit ko na, yung isa hindi pa. Pero yung hindi ko pa nakakabit, yun yung alam ko yung location. Pero yung yung alam kong location na nakabit ko na, ay yung nakabit ko na hindi ko alam yung location. Hanapin ko muna yon. Alright. Shoutout kay Ruben. Pwede ba? Tsaka kay Ishal. Official. Basta yun. So, that's the plan. Katarantaduhan. Ay, ito siya! Ito yung kinabit ko! Bang! Yes! Puki ng ina mong patay ka ng hayop ka.
How did that door bring me back to the house? And is that thing finally dead? Am I finally free? It just doesn't make any sense.
Yes,
This
sir.
doesn't feel real. Am I being manipulated? Am I really cursed or possessed or whatever? I'm so confused.
Di na ako makikinig kay Mat
Whatever that
67.
is, there's one thing
Napahalang
that
ko
is
pa eh.
for sure.
Mat din ako.
I must save Sophie. Whatever it takes. Whatever that risk may be, I must save her.
Save daw. Okay, second tape sa cassette. Di na ako magugulat. Wala na. Di na ako magugulat. Naiinis ako. Second tape. Scotch tape, gusto mo? Bigyan pa kita.
A curse is any expressed wish that some form of adversity or
Curses?
misfortune that will
What is
befall or
happening?
attach to one or more persons. In particular, curse
does my
may
father
refer
have to
to
even
such a
do with
wish or
this?
pronouncement made effective by a
Demons?
malicious entity
Curses?
or a person
Panalo,
that died
panalo.
for someone or a lot of deceased that
Panalo
died
tayo,
with
pre.
rage. In order to break a curse, well, I'm
Finally!
afraid no
Matatapos na ako. Shoutout kay Lonely.
There are lots of kinds of curses and
Lonely.
ways to break them. The
Why
most
so
common way to break a
lonely?
curse is by exorcising the entity or person that put on the curse on you. While it may seem hard to do since
Tagal.
the person is dead, in order to do
Tagal.
so, you have to
Kwentuhan muna
summon
tayo.
the being that put the curse on you and exorcise
Anong
it.
makikwento nyo dyan?
Decide not, killing it won't work. The curse will remain since the entity or the person hasn't been exorcised yet.
There is one place I haven't searched yet. The attic. How could I forget?
Okay, search the attic. Ah, okay. Find a way to get to the attic. Kailangan ko ng hagdan. Natry mo na yung Almira? Hindi pa. Parang nakita ko pa lang. Hello, Sophie. Sophie ba yun? Sophie. Hello. Kingina mo. Nanakot ka pang hayop ka. Kapatid mo ko eh. O yun, please. Climbing. Cutscene, no? Parang Damimic. Di rin ako naglalaro ng Damimic eh. Timmy.
Sophie? Is that you? What are you doing? What is this? Why am I suddenly feeling dizzy?
Na naman.